Hey there, YouTube world. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. We've got an unboxing to do today, and I will be opening up something that I ordered on eBay. By the way, Komputar channel is quite surprisingly running well. You know what I mean, Philip, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, so I'll repeat that. Komputar channel is amazingly or surprisingly running quite well. It's getting a lot of views. It's getting a lot of intelligent comments. I had to put in the word intelligent because I am getting intelligent comments and comments that make sense, you know. And I didn't expect this to happen to the Komputar channel, honestly. I had no idea that this Komputar channel would even get monetized or get qualified for the YouTube algorithm, which is automatic, by the way. Yep, we have found out that the YouTube algorithm is completely automatic, so humans have no say in that. So whatever you post, AI actually watches your video, and I'm not making this up. AI watches your video, and then it decides whether it's gonna ban it, or it's gonna keep it, or it's gonna flag it, or it's gonna demonetize it, or it's gonna monetize it. So it's all completely done by the AI. I kid you not, man. Alright, so yeah. We all knew that AI was controlling YouTube, but I had no idea AI was controlling YouTube to this extent, which is so weird, actually. Okay, so message to my eBay username: thanks for your purchase. We look forward to doing business with you again. This is a MOTU vs Snakeman Whiplash 200x MOC Masters of the Universe unopened 2003. So this toy was actually, this action figure rather, was actually produced back in 2003, and this item was not sold. It never went off the shelf of the toy store or whichever store it was in. So it never made it. So I found it on eBay and I got interested in it because I kind of like missed the Masters of the Universe 2003 action figure collections when it was launched. I saw it in the market, but I never had the urge to buy it because I was going through a phase in my life at that time, and I didn't want to spend money on action figure, you know. And it was pretty expensive for me that time because I was in a different situation. So this action figure is unique for me because I've never had something off eBay that had the original packet intact with it. So that's why, as you can see, the guy packed it so well, because this is a collector's item, 2003. So it's been like, what, 16 years now since this was manufactured and put into toy shelves around America, but it never made it. Nobody bought it till it found its way to eBay finally, and then I found it and I bought it. So that's why you see the layers of packaging, the paper and this and that, you know, the bubble wraps. So here it is, Masters of the Universe, the Snake Man. So this is in pristine condition, no scratches, nothing. and this is an action figure that's intact in its box. So this is Whiplash from the Masters of the Universe. So those of you who are big He-Man fan, this is He-Man, you'll know who I'm talking about. So this is actually a very unique pack because the original Masters of the Universe, when it was launched back in 2002, had red packaging. I've never seen a green packaging before. This was the first time I noticed Masters of the Universe also had a green packaging. I mean, this is green here, you know. This is originally all red. If you buy these figures, they'll come in red, and if you buy these figures, they'll come in green because they're the Snake Man group figure, and these are the Masters of the Universe He-Man group figures. So this was pretty unique for me. It's made by metal. So I'm gonna actually pause here because I'm gonna save this box, and I'm gonna keep this inside the box as long as I can. You know, I'm gonna keep this box intact and never open it, perhaps because I've never done this since I was a kid. I've always opened up action figure box, and I actually like to touch the action figure and you know, use or play with them or pose them or display them. So this is very unique for me, and let's see if I can actually control my urges. Yeah, if I can control my urges, it will be really nice. So yeah, this is Masters of the Universe Snake Man Whiplash. Alright, stay cool everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.